Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Flask. Today we are going to learn CRUD REST API using MySQL in Python Flask. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we will have the app.py file. So let's go and copy the code over here. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged code for that one. So let's open the file. So here we have the VS Code, and here we have the app.py file. So let's add this code. Okay, and let's do the changes. So here we have the user and the password you have to add, and the database you need to put over here, whatever the database you have. Okay, let's open the adminer. If you have phpMyAdmin, then open that one. Login, check the database. That is, we have user database, and what the database I have used over here. So it's users. Okay, I think I have created that table also. Give me a second. Mhm. Yeah, this is the table that I have used. So let me use this one and create that table. SQL command. Let's create some of the demo data over here. So it's created. So here you can see that users table. Okay, now let's go to the CRUD REST API and learn step by step. So first one, we have the import Flask, JSON file, and request, and the MySQL connector. So make sure all of these are installed, right? It's only Flask and the connector, right? After that, this is MySQL configuration, and this is the how to establish a connection with this MySQL.connector.connect. Okay, with the help of this, you can connect to the MySQL database. Now the route with the decorator slash users, that is the get method. Okay, so first we will make the connection, then execute select start from users and fetch all the results and close the connection. Okay, then return the data. So if I just copy this one and run this one over here, Flask run. Why something? I will use this. The exception access denied for this one. For the user with password, yes. MySQL connector. Why? The user is a root, right? So it's open. Let's copy this link. Open the Postman. First we have the slash users. So first of all, let's go with the slash users. Let's hit this one, and you can receive all the users detail. Okay, here you can see that we have a three cards, and this is the three cards over here. Next one that we have is, so this is the get all users route. Then we have a users with user ID. This is a get request. So this is the normal query that select start from the users where ID should be. So pass the user ID and get the result of that one. So here we have the slash. If I going to get the record of one ID, then one ID, then put the two ID. So this is how you are retrieving the ID. On the behalf of ID, you will get the records. Okay, so next one that we have the post request. So I want to insert the records into the database. That is a normal query that insert into the users username and the email and the values, right? So this is the normal query. Okay, so name and the email you need to send over here. So here we go with this one. So in the post request, I'm going to make it a post request, and body we have a name. Let's make it a name here. Okay, and let's try to send this record. Fourth, not allowed. Method not allowed. which one it is. It is a post request and it's users. I think I have put the ID over here, right? So let's remove this ID and make a user request and make a post request over here. Connection errors, unknown column, username. Okay, let's have a look. So here we have the name column, right? So make it a name column, right? Save this and let's automatically it's restart, I suppose. Let's run this one and user created. Let's go and check the record. Here you can see the result is there. Okay, so this is basic one that insert the data into the database, into the tables, right, with the name and the email and its respective values. Okay, so here the main thing that is request.json, you're requesting the JSON part. Okay, because we are posting the JSON user created with 201, right? Then we have the put request. I want to update something, so let's update the username with the ID. So currently which ID it is 4. So let me update with the 4 ID and make a put request over here, and let's change the name to my name, right? And let's try to send this, and what it says that unknown column, again the username. So make it like name over here. So save this and let's try to hit again, update it. Let's have a look of that one and you can see the record is updated. Okay, so here we go with this one. So the query is basically update users, set whatever the name you are sending, whatever the email you are sending, and ID required. Okay, then it will get the data from this user, that is the name and the email, and with the user's ID. Okay, so then user updated successfully. Last one, that is the delete one. Okay, so method we have to pass, that is delete, you require the ID. Okay, and connection starts, execute the command delete from the users where ID it matches, it will delete that record, commit that connection and close that, and user deleted successfully. At the last, app run. Okay, so let's do the last stuff that is here. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, sorry, delete user id 4, and here we go with user deleted, and here we get the record is deleted, right? So this is the full-fledged CRUD operation using the MySQL in the Python Flask. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.